This is Sam Phillips on the streets of Cleveland, and I'm asking the good people of Cleveland what they think about the new Obama health care law that was just approved by the Supreme Court. Ma'am, how is this Obamacare is going to affect you and your family, ma'am?
Well, all I know is that Obamacare has been really bad for my family, really bad. You know, they forced me to get birth control, and they made me go to that Planned Parenthood, and they made me my money from the church. I put it in the contribution plate, and what do you think happens? You know, Planned Parenthood gets part of that. It's just really terrible. And my children, we've been really worried about our kids, and my kids. All 13 of them now are going to be struggling, because of this Obamacare, because it's in the way. It gets in the way. We can't just go to the emergency room and take care of things anymore. We have to go to doctors.
Right.
And this is a terrible, terrible thing. And they're going to tax us, and we won't have any money. We won't have any money to give to the church. And my husband is so upset.
I know.
He's having to work extra hours for that tax, for that Obama tax. And of course, and we can't get our medicine for the right prices like we used to get it. There's all kinds of other prices now. That's they're low prices. They're probably imitation medicine, and and it's all because of this Obama with this imitation.
And do you feel that with this Obamacare, it's going to open up the big door to take your crosses away and take your religion away? And who needs doctors when you have religion, when you have Jesus, right?
Well, that's right. I mean, Jesus has saved my life many times.
Too.
And without Jesus, what can we do? And this Muslim Obama, and all of his minions, the Muslim minions,
the Brotherhood,
and they're all over now, and they're promoting this socialism, this socialism that these people, and they're taking everything. They're taking our churches. I'm sure you saw how last year they took our churches away. Well, that was Obamacare. That was Obamacare that did that. And that poor man getting killed. That poor man getting killed down in Mexico or Texas or one of those places. That he was the agent for the United States, and Obama's guns killed him. Obama gunmen, and they were all doing this Obamacare
I'm doing a story
stuff.
on that. Bush was going to send Bibles.
Yes.
But then Obama got in, and he started sending guns.
That's right.
And anti-God.
And so this Obamacare, this is the worst thing that could happen to us. And Jesus knows.
Right.
Jesus knows.
And do you feel it takes away from your independence as an American, where you can be a can-do kind of woman, that you can do it on your own? You don't need no help from no federal government and no Obamacare, right?
That's right. I really resent that he's not going to let me go out and scrub floors all night, after the kids are in bed.
Gives you a feeling, doesn't it?
And this is how I live. This is what I live for. And this man is ruining all of that. He's changing my whole life.
Right. I agree.
And this is horrible. This Obamacare is an abomination. Obamacare, abomination. Abomination, Obamacare. I tell you, Jesus knows, the church knows, all good Christians know, all good people know, good Americans, patriotic Americans will say no to this abomination.
Okay, one more question. Now, did Jesus need Obamacare when he went out and cured people when Jesus walked this earth? No, he didn't have Obamacare.
That's right. That's right. Jesus did not have Obamacare.
Nope.
Obama, those Muslims weren't here yet.
Right.
So he didn't have Obamacare.
Right.
And what he had, though, was a faith in our own American pride.
Right.
Jesus had that. Jesus knew that the American way would heal everything.
Right. So Obama is going to be a job killer because he's going to put Jesus and his healing ways out of business, right?
Oh, absolutely. Obamacare kills. It kills jobs, and it kills people, and it kills Jesus.
Right. And
I'm sorry, I can't even talk about this
I know it's very emotional.
I just can't talk.
Ma'am, thank you very much for your time.